Hi, I'm Jared Naska, Chief Revenue Officer at GRUBBRR. We're here at the National Restaurant Association Trade Show in Chicago. There is no industry that has been impacted like the restaurant business over the last 2 years. So it's great to be back in person, showcasing all of our innovation that help operators to increase revenue, decrease operating costs, and give their customers a far better experience. We're here with our great friends and partners from Samsung, showing all of our innovation. We're gonna take a look around the booth. GRUBBRR is a self-ordering technology company. We address all facets from the order channel to the distribution of goods. So if you're ordering on a kiosk, point of sale, mobile device, online, QR code, and NFC, we build and power all of those solutions. And then the journey that order takes, once it's been ingested in the order channel, we connect all of those. So whether you're routing to a kitchen display system, or a kitchen printer, or in the case of a retail solution, an inventory management solution, we connect all those components. And then how do you deliver those goods to the consumer? Are you using a locker, like the proprietary GRUBBRR locker? Are you using a rack system, or perhaps just giving goods at the countertop? GRUBBRR connects all of those components. We meet with our clients to find out their idealized customer and operational journeys. The intersection point is what GRUBBRR does. We come in and we automate all of those components. Let's take a look at the Samsung Kiosk powered by GRUBBRR. Every component can be customized. Dynamic video serves as a great advertising vehicle when not in use. We'll begin our journey. In this case, we're going to dine in. This looks very much like our typical build, so again, we can customize to the liking of our brands. Categories on the left, individual items on the right. I'm gonna build a pizza. You can see our builder mode will take you through a progression. You cannot advance to the next step without going through each of the respective steps. So I'll choose my selections, add on toppings, high impact images. When I add it to the cart, you'll see I'm presented my first upsell. No matter how well we train our cashiers, they do not upsell quite like we do. We always upsell. Now the order begins its operational journey. There are a number of steps that happen once that order is ingested. It gets routed to the appropriate kitchen display system. This is Samsung's KDS hardware and GRUBBRR software, a sophisticated system that can delineate between dine-in and takeout, even show third-party deliveries that are ingested in the system. We're in front of GRUBBRR's proprietary food locker. If you're looking for an efficient way to distribute your goods, this is a solution. So you saw that the order went to the kitchen display system. There was a kitchen printer as well. The order was progressing from in progress to completed. Once it's completed, that order gets bumped off. The kitchen uses their receipt printer. This is a double-sided locker. This is the consumer-facing piece. In the kitchen is the operational piece. The kitchen will use their receipt, use their QR code to open up the locker. Our system is sophisticated and knows which cubby is available to place the food in. Once the kitchen places the food in the locker, close the door, it initiates a text. That text goes to the customer, and the customer receives a text message indicating their food is ready, and they can use either their original paper receipt or their QR code on their phone. They should engage the locker, scan their QR code. The corresponding locker opens, grab your food, and you're on your way. The first impression that your customers have once they walk into your location is the branding, is your menu. For that reason, we partner with the absolute best in class, Samsung's digital menu boards, that system on chip, no backpack needed. It's also very sophisticated. We have the ability to connect your POS and kiosk to the digital menu boards. If, for example, you change pricing on any one of those order channels, it also will change it on the digital menu boards. We have the ability to do dynamic pricing, the ability to do AI and machine learning integration such that on a cold day, you can feature items like coffee or soups. Samsung and GRUBBRR are collaborating to develop an outdoor digital menu experience that can be touch-enabled, replicating a kiosk experience much like you have inside, but in the drive-thru area. eliminating the need for somebody to be on a headset taking orders. GRUBBRR believes in an omni-channel approach. There's no single order channel, but rather meet the customer where they want to order. Online ordering is one of those components, and GRUBBRR can build and power online ordering. An extension of that is our mobile ordering. We can take the same menu from the kiosk or the point of sale and repurpose this on a handheld device. The same order process that you do on a kiosk would be replicated on a mobile device. We're featuring 4 different concepts here at the National Restaurant Association show. I'm going to show you how you can order from any one of or all of those 4 concepts in one order process. This is a great concept for food halls, stadiums, arenas, theaters. I begin my order process. Imagine being at a sporting event and the kids want one item and perhaps parents want something different. Now you have that ability. Somebody wants pizza. I'll begin my pizza process, building a pizza, making my selections. Don't want to miss an opportunity for an upsell. Then I can move on to a different brand and a different concept entirely. Now we're going to move on to our 3rd concept. Let's build a burger. Do a lettuce bun. Upsell. Ready to check out. Now what you'll notice is that each of those concepts are illustrated here. This is our pizza. This is our item from Pico Burrito. And these are the items from Bold Burger. You see all the modifications. Now the uniqueness is each of these orders would be routed to the respective kitchen display systems or kitchen printers to make this an efficient process on one order thread. GRUBBRR is also featuring some of our new innovations like this self-checkout. Using AI and machine learning, we can create a really seamless and touchless concept. Simply pick up items, place them on the counter, and through this AI and machine learning camera, it identifies what those items are, and they go right into your cart. The self-checkout unit can be customized to mimic your brand. You can create a countertop. It can be freestanding. There can be a bag checkout area.